Hello, I'd like to tell you about some stray electricity that I discovered while charging my smartphone. I'll show you the setup I was using and, if you excuse the pun, the shocking results I discovered. First of all, we need a multimeter for measuring voltage. This is set to AC voltage, and the common probe is connected to a ground plug. This is the standard ground plug, which is an active live pin and two dummy plastic pins. If I pick up the active pole of the multimeter and touch the pole, then I create a circuit. Any potential electrical energy that's on my body goes through the multimeter to ground. When I take the active probe of the multimeter in my hand, you can see I'm getting 4.3 volts. If I pick up a smartphone that's charging via a transformer fitted with a duckhead plug, you see the voltage has shot up dramatically to 95.6 volts. To show you the stray electricity coming off my computer while charging, we have the same setup, the multimeter connected via the common black probe to a ground, single ground. The power supply to the charging computer coming through a duckhead plug attached to the transformer. Computer is being charged. So now if I take the active red connector, touch it with my hand, you can see the electrical environment that I'm standing in. I'm exposed to about 4 volts. Put my hand on the charging computer, 82 volts. Take my hand off the computer, we're back to 4.9 volts. This is the charging transformer, genuine manufacturer's part. And as you see, it comes in 2 units. The charging unit itself with the ground and the 2 active pins. And this piece called the duckhead plug fits in thus so. The problem, in my opinion, with this is that this ground, which is a metal pin, is actually not connected to the transforming unit electrically. The applicable safety standard covering these type of devices is the IEC 950 standard. The standard defines hazardous voltage as voltages more than 42.4 volts. Users need to be told of the potential dangers of touching or using smartphones while they are charging. Use these ungrounded duckhead plugs. The duckhead plug does have a metal ground pin, but this pin is not connected to the ground of the transformer. Any person holding a smartphone while charging a device while using ungrounded duckhead plugs is exposed to hazardous voltages, and these voltages can then pass through the user to ground. In my opinion, this is not just a theoretical, quirky observation. There have been lots of media reports of accidents, and I invite you all to do your own research. I made written contact about this hazardous voltage with both the manufacturer and the Consumer Protection Commission in Ireland. Neither body saw fit in pursuing the matter any further. If you are using an ungrounded duckhead plug, these would be my recommendations. But I'll leave you to make up your own minds about this. Thank you for listening.